Hello everyone. Do you want to know how much time you have to spend when you learn English? Many students have a problem with this question. They think that within a month, within a week, within a 3 month, they'll speak fluent English. I was thinking long time before about this topic, but due to some reason I couldn't shoot today this I have video. A time for this video, and I'm shooting this video just for you because a beginner, especially beginners, think that within a week or within a month they can speak English, or they join that type of academy. They'll claim they they claim that they will teach you extraordinary English, or within a week, within a month you'll speak fluent English. But my dear friend, it's wrong. You cannot build your body within a week. You cannot build your skill within a week or within a month. It takes time, effort and money. I made a video on this topic a couple of days before as well, but I think I should make continuously videos on this topic because this is a really important. A beginner think that within a week, within a month, they'll speak fluent English. But true, you cannot build your body within a month or within a 2 month. You cannot learn how to cook food within a 2 month or 3 month. You cannot learn how to drive a car. Maybe you can drive a car, but a proper driver with experience or many other things we have when we learn something. So my dear friend, this is a skill. When you want that I should improve my speaking, first of all you should know why you are learning English. Do you have to learn English, or do you want to learn English? Means if this is really important for you because of your job, because of your studies, then you should learn it. If you are learning just like that because this is a good language, international language, or you think that within a week, within a month you cannot give extra time, so you cannot learn this language, my dear friend. Minimum 6 months to 8 months you should have. Then you join any academy or start learning English. It's a skill, or it's a foreign language. You cannot speak within a week or within a month. Don't think about, because most of beginners think that within a month I'll be fluent in English. I speak English just like a foreigner speak. But my dear friend, they are speaking since their childhood, then they speak like that. We are speaking our native language. We speak very easily our native language, so we speak since our childhood. That's why it's really easy language for me, or it's really easy language for us. They speak their native language since their childhood. That's why they speak very good English, or fluent. Not a good, according to grammar they do many mistakes. It's not like that. They speak English since their childhood. It means they speak every sentence correct, every pronunciation. It's not like that. They speak just like that. They don't think about mistake, they don't think about pronunciation. But as an Indian, we think a lot. When we speak, we think that we should speak with proper pronunciation. We don't do mistake. When we do mistake, we think that it's a sin. But it's a language, my dear friend. When you do some everyone mistake, does mistake. So don't think about mistake. Learn it, this language, enjoy your life, and do your study properly. And when you learn English, you should know that why you are learning English, why you have to speak English. Got it? When you have a appropriate answer of this question, then you'll speak very good English. When you have a proper reason for anything you have to do every single day. For example, I am an English teacher. I have to teach student every single day, whether I want or I don't want. I have to do it. So because I have a reason, I have academy, I teach how to speak English, I teach about literature, I teach how to speak English, many things. So I have to do it. So this is compulsory for me for speaking English, because if I don't speak English, how my student can speak English? Got it? So it's a compulsory for me, and I don't count that 1 hour or 2 hour later I don't do practice, I don't read English, I don't learn English. Whenever I have time, I learn English, I try to improve my English. Got it? Everyone has to improve their level. Got it? No one is perfect in this world, so don't worry. If you want to speak in English, speak in English. It's just a language. Do mistake, enjoy your life. That's it. Don't think too much about it. Got it? I hope you understand what I try to teach you in this video. If you find this video helpful, please like this video, share with your friends, subscribe this channel if you haven't subscribed yet. If you have any question related to this topic, related to any topic, I'm talking about English, related to English, if you have any doubt, any problem, do let me know in the comment box below. Till then, bye bye, God bless you.